is here, and so is hurricane season.
Here with the tools and tips you need to prepare your family is the one and only Skip BEDELL. Skip, take it away, brother.
Hey guys, so good to be back again. Thanks for having me. You know, hurricane season is upon us right now. I'm going to talk to you about some things that you really should have before the storm comes. You want to be prepared because when that happens, it's going to be hard to find generators and things like that.
Right.
So, Champion generators, great, very high quality, great warranties. I have a couple different models here. So this is a home standby generator. This you'll have installed, hooked up to your gas line and to your panel. You need an electrician, a plumber to get this installed, but it will power your whole home. Comes on automatically when the power goes out, and it goes off when the power comes back on.
Runs off natural gas.
Natural gas or propane.
Okay.
So this is great to run the whole house. This will run most of your house. This is a portable generator from Champion. This is a dual fuel. And the reason why I like this model, I actually use this a lot at home on job sites. It'll run on gasoline or on propane. So let's say you can't get gas, the stations are closed down, you can run it on your barbecue tank.
So do you suggest having both?
Well, no, if you have that whole home,
you're fine.
that'll cover everything. But that's a much bigger installation. This will run most of your house, and it's portable. You can take it with you where you want to go.
The point is, it's been very quiet this hurricane season, so now is the time to buy one of these because it could ramp up at any time, and you don't want to be caught without something.
Yeah,
so many supply chain issues.
Yep,
absolutely.
Definitely want to have it beforehand, guys. So I love this group. This is for Patriots. I've been using so much of their stuff. This is a great portable power. So this is a power generator. It has a battery inside. You can charge it with electricity, or what's really cool, if you look down here, there's solar panels that come with it for free. So this will allow you to keep things inside your house with no gas, no fumes, no emissions coming from it. So you can plug things in, your refrigerator, lights, whatever it is that you need, and it works on the solar panel, so you charge it up for free.
You can charge your phone in an emergency.
That's exactly
Very
right.
Good idea.
So I want to jump back over here for 1 second. So
this is cool.
the portable gas generator, you want to make sure you run them outside your home. And so many people make the mistake of running them in the garage with the door open because you never want to mix electricity and water. So they bring it inside. However, carbon monoxide poisoning is a very real thing. So you want to make sure that you leave it outside. This is Gen 10. Installs in minutes. I wish I would have thought of this. I love this idea. It's genius. Installs in minutes, and it goes right over your generator, allowing you to have it out in the rain, the snow, up to 70-mile-an-hour winds.
It fits all different models.
It does. So they fit up to 3,000 different models of generators. So unbelievable invention, very easy to install, gen10.com. Love that product. That'll keep you safe. You can have it out in the rain and the snow. Going back to 4 Patriots, in addition to having the solar power generator, they also make all this great survival food. So like a 72-hour kit you can have.
Does it taste good?
It really does. It tastes fantastic. I love this stuff. Listen, 4 Patriots, they have great meals. You simply add water, or not even that, you have the emergency food boards. These taste kind of like a lemon-flavored shortcake. 400 calories in each bar. This will feed your family for a few days, believe it or not.
Or for 6 months on a deployment.
That's right. Yeah, you know about the food bars, right?
It lasts 5 years, right?
Yeah, that's correct. 25 years. So this is a 25-year shelf life on their food. So keep it, you'll have it ready.
Where can we get this? On your website?
So 4patriots.com. Go right to their site. You'll find, and all these other great preparation, everything from flashlights to, great stuff. Water purification, charging panels, everything you need. So, and then lastly, guys, this thing, you've heard me talk about Ego Outdoor Power Tools so many times. I love them. They have the best battery in the business. This is the Nexus power station. This allows you to use the same batteries that you have on your power tools to power up your home. 3,000 watts, and again, no fumes, totally quiet. You can run this right inside your house, in your car, without having any worries of, carbon monoxide poisoning. There's no engine running on it. So, unbelievable tool.
Pretty fancy Aztec chili with mango.
Right? You have the full menu there.
I know. I don't even do that in a non-emergency. Still ahead, Democrats.